direct your attention beneath the tail area, you will see that not only is the landing gear and flaps down, but the tail hook will be extended as well. Now, Warren will demonstrate the maneuverability and superior weight ratio of the F-18. Show, and I guess it's okay to say this, the bosses know this. As a demonstration pilot in air shows, this is Worm's last flight tonight. Worm is now performing a repositioning maneuver to align his aircraft with the show line. You'll watch as he reaches show center at over 300 miles an hour. He will demonstrate the superb nose authority and the ability of the F-18 to point at an adversary aircraft. In a very short space, you will see the Hornet change direction from the horizontal flight to straight nose up. It is this ability combined with an awesome arsenal of